Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Fedchenko, your aviation consultant. Today we are flying from Ljubljana, Slovenia to Sofia, Bulgaria, and we have a very special request, 11 passengers. How do we fit it in our Citation 550? That's a good question. We have two aeroplanes, and our second pilot will be Matej, and the first officer, who I don't know, will meet him on this video. Eduardo knows more about our flight plan.
Two plane, 11 people.
A lot of luggage, I suppose.
A lot of full.
We put it on the roof.
On the roof, yeah, with the scotch.
Let's go. Zdravo, kako ste? 13 bag.
Yeah. It's like a mini airliner flight.
Mini airliner flight.
Yeah, you should take us up. It's only one trip, which will be better.
This is Matej. You should remember him from my skill test on Citation 500.
Yeah.
VIP services. That's Cessna 500 and we have 550. It's always difficult with this high visibility jacket. Hi again. Hi, I'm Konstantin.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So what time should we put delay for?
I think it's probably going to 10 minutes. I just go there and I'll let you know. I just meet
Okay.
with some of them and
Perfect.
I'll let you know, okay?
Super.
Give me a minute, okay?
No problem. Just to have a look how things look inside.
The newest citation in Europe.
Okay, I go back, do the pre-flight and everything. Thank you for fueling.
No problem.
Guys refueled the plane for us, which is great. We don't have to wait now. Usual walk around, oil check. Clean it well, because otherwise you will not see nothing, you see. Cold max, add 1 quart. Perfect. This aircraft is equipped with wet de-icer, so the ice is not sticking to the wing. That's all. This is all.
No. We just started.
We thought 13 bags. We have a champagne. Is it champagne? Champagne.
Champagne.
No more yacht.
No more Chandon.
Waiting for passengers. They're gonna be with us shortly. Well, waiting for passengers, checking weather, getting clearance, asking for our startup time, CTOT, calculated takeoff time.
Wind 110 degrees.
Some passengers arrived, but not ours. Look at this guest. As you saw, Cessna 500, Cessna Citation 500 already departed, and we are still waiting for passengers. They are a bit, the 500 is a bit slower, and we can do the briefing meanwhile. What was the departure?
Lima Juliet.
Lima Juliet. Lupix to Eka. Departure runway 12, straight ahead. After departure to Lupix. Transition altitude 10,500 feet. Lupix 6,000 feet, not below. Pilots make back higher levels than 6,000. It requires minimum climb gradient, which we have, of course. Initial climb clearance 6,000 feet. Nothing
gate for
special,
that,
any
yeah.
malfunction before we one stop on the runway. Evaluate situation in case of emergency evacuation procedure. In case of any malfunction after V1, climb runway heading, no action space before acceleration altitude. Sorry, briefing interrupted. In case of emergency, after V1 climb runway heading, acceleration altitude 2000 feet, no actions until acceleration altitude, and then at acceleration altitude, memory items, emergency, normal, abnormal checklist.
It's okay. And carry.
Speeds 100 V1, VR 110, flaps 7 for departure. Any questions, comments?
Nothing's perfect. Thank you.
Perfect. Ground request startup.
Startup approved, ATC clearance available, QNH 1025.
1025 startup approved, will call you ready. Hello. Actually ready to copy now. Ljubljana, ready to copy ATC clearance.
Destination runway 12, climb by Lupix to Echo, departure to 6000 feet. Squawk 6512.
6512 on the squawk, cleared via Lupix to Echo, 6000 feet, runway 12, and startup approved.
That's correct, QNH 1025.
1025. Dobar dan, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Konstantin, your captain on today's flight. We will wait for your colleagues and Eduardo. No, I mean for emergency briefing, just he will let you know. Starting right, check right side. Yes. So left is clear, let's start the taxi. Yeah?
Yes. Left is clear, right is check. Is yellow and then tango, right on kilo.
No. Look at this friend we have.
Crazy.
Left is clear, right is check. Brakes check. My check. Let's check this power. Okay, looks
Check.
good.
Power is set. Airspeed is alive. 80 knots. All green. One. Rotate. Positive rate.
Yeah.
6 Tango Echo, Roger, we'll send it and I will call you back if there will be any improvements. Anyway, earliest time to be rolling is at 1147. Thank you.
Yeah, no, maybe not.
Yeah, not now.
Let's do more.
400 feet. It's 180. Echo. Runway 12.
Time for paperwork. Eduardo is writing a tail log,
Tail log, yeah.
so-called navigation log, just putting information which we had, and I'm monitoring everything: oil pressure, fuel flow, ITT temperature, fan speed, altitude, navigation, autopilot modes. That's my job at the moment while he's writing. Then we switch and I take another paperwork and I write then. There is another document called TLB, which means technical logbook of the aeroplane. Some present Slovenian dessert from the passengers. You was called Zvezdnica, something with stars, I remember. Zvezda is star. So expecting Nizhva 4 kilo arrival, correction, Nizhva 3 kilo arrival, all points checked, Bagib initial approach, Bagib intermediate fixed 4,100 feet. We have VNAV calculation over here, 4,100, let's look correct one, 4,100 feet. We have 6 minutes to descend, expecting 2,000 feet per minute. After Bagib, expecting ILS approach Zulu runway 27, Sofia, Bulgaria, chat 11-3. ILS frequency 109. Final approach course 269 set. Start of descent from 3,600 feet. Point Tutto. Descent 3 degrees. Airport elevation 1,742 and decision height 200 feet. Minimum. Photo session with me. This is my bonus again. One more patica. Zvezdica 2.
Oh, another one.
Matej, we call you on every frequency. Belgrade, we say Matej, Matej.
I was looking for you on the other. We have to make air-to-air frequency.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, but was everything okay otherwise?
Yeah, it's perfect, all perfect. Everyone happy.
Yeah, good. That's good. That's important. You know, I told you it's always like this VIP clients. You know, we have to.
Thank you for watching this video. Konstantin Fedchenko, your aviation advisor. Please subscribe, leave comments, and what? Subscribe, like. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. There will be a lot of interesting things. Leave comments and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.